Councillor of the FMSCI to please join us up on stage to present this next set of awards. We have 14 awardees. They have been putting their lives at risk, as you can see there. It is a seriously good category to watch as well, and it's not one that's easy to win. The MRF MMSC FMSCI Indian National Racing Motorcycle Racing Championships, stock up to 165cc novice. Sarvesh Balappa is our 2022 champion. Thank you, Sarvesh. On to the team in the stock up to 165cc novice. AXA Sparks Racing. S. Ravi, the team principal, could you please join us up? Thank you. And the 2022 National Racing Champion Manufacturer, stock up to 165cc novice. Yamaha, P. Rajesh, the team manager, can we please have you up as well? Wonderful. Big round of applause, guys. Come on. Early goes into our awards. We do better than that for all of our awards. Yeah, maybe we let all of you come together for a picture as well. Well done, guys. Congratulations. Please stay up for us if you can. Thank you so much. Next, into our 2022 National Racing Champion rider, stock up to 165cc for girls. It is Jagruti Penkar. Parents, Mr. Kiran Penkar and Miss Kadambri Penkar, I think are here. Thank you so much. Our National Racing Champion team in the same category, 165cc girls, Alpha Racing, Miss Anne Jennifer and Miss Adeline Celeste. Thank you, well done. We've spoken about diversity and equality. I think this is a great example of that. Big round of applause for the two girls up on stage. From Alpha Racing and our 2022 National Racing Champion Manufacturer in the girls category, Yamaha once again. And if we can get the entire team from the girls championship to come together for a picture as well. Get a group picture of all of you with the... Unless they don't want it, don't worry, that's fine. We can move along to the next category as well, which is our 2022 National Racing Champion for riders, Pro Stock 301cc to 400cc Open. It's a name that a lot of us are very familiar with. Doesn't stop winning. Rajni Krishnan. And the team for the Pro Stock 301 to 400cc Open, Petronas TVS Racing. Can we get your representative up on stage, please? Thank you so much. And on to the winning manufacturer in this category, yet again, TVS. Get a representative, there we go. And maybe Rajni, you want to join your team? Big round of applause for the team and rider. Up next, on to the 2022 National Racing Champion rider in the Pro Stock 165cc Open, Madan Kumar. champion team in the Pro Stock 165cc Open, Pacer Yamaha, Mr. Shekhar, team owner. Will you please join us up? Thank you. Champion manufacturer in the Pro Stock 165cc Open, Yamaha once again. Can we get the rider as well? Governor Kumar, you want to join in for the picture, please? And on to our promoter of the championship, the Madras Motorsports Club from Chennai. We please get our representative, Mr. Manoj Dalal, to join us up on stage. Chairman of two-wheeler racing, big round of applause. And finally, our sponsor of the championship, MRF Limited. Please join us up on stage. Thank you so much, Mr. Madhusudan Reyes from MRF Motorsport. We get all of our winners from all categories to join us up on stage. A nice large group picture. 14 winners in this category, and I think they deserve a round of applause from the entire room. Bentley, work your magic, come on.
While we have all the national champions, the sponsors and the team principals here on stage, we have to give a special moment to congratulate all our manufacturers from TVS to Honda, Hero, Yamaha, KTM and Enfield to supporting this glamorous sport so passionately. A special applause to TVS, who's now running the single make series in the Asian Road Racing Championship. Special applause to Hero, who is running a very professional team in the Dakar Rally, and also a special applause to Honda for promoting the Nimutsu Talent Cup. Thank you.
Fantastic news. Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim, for highlighting those. He's got a personal commitment and a family issue, unfortunately, so we will have someone else pick up the award for him. And congratulations to Ritesh Rai. Up next, the champion team, Redline Racing. Ms. Veena, can you join us up on stage? Super Stock, very, very popular category as well. Congratulations. I request you to please stay on stage for us. Up next, the 2022 National Racing Champion driver in the MRF Saloon category, Justin Singh. And once again, dominated by Redline Racing. Veena, maybe you just want to join your driver as well. Justin, you can stay up and get a picture together. Redline Racing, the champion team. Up next, the 2022 National Racing Champion driver in the MRF F2000 category, Sai Sanjay. Congratulations. great season from Sai Sanjay. Up next, the 2022 National Racing Champion driver in the Indian Touring Cars. He's done it before, he's done it again, and he keeps going every year. Arjun Balu. He's also good inspiration for anyone that needs some fitness standards. This man has stayed the same, I think, in the 11 national title, guys. I think that deserves a massive, massive round of applause. The champion team, another man who's won plenty of titles himself, Rayo Racing. Raymond Banerjee, join us up, please. Rayo, how many titles for you? 8th title for Raymond Banerjee, 11 for Arjun Balu. That's a pretty dynamic duo, we can call it one. Arjun, maybe you want to join Rayo for the picture? Different team? Okay, no. He doesn't like you. Rayo says no. Sorry, Arjun. You can deal with that behind the scenes, it's fine. The 2022 National Racing Champion driver in the IJTC, the Indian Junior Touring Cars, Akineni Anand Prasad. And the National Racing Champion team for IJTC, Team Performance Racing, Miss Manivandan, the director of the team, or Mr. Vandan. Congratulations. Up next, our 2022 National Racing Champion in the Formula LGB 1300s, Vishwas Vijayaraj. And our 2022 National Racing Champion team in the Formula LGB 1300s, DTS Racing, Diljit, come on up, the Managing Director. And we'll switch behind the wheel as well. Congratulations. On to our 2022 National Racing Champion driver in the Volkswagen Polo Cup, Pratik Sonawale. Sharp with the clothes, sharp behind the wheel as well. Take down the clothes, take that down. On to our promoters of the series, the Madras Motorsports Club. We get a representative from the championship, Prabha Shankar, Manu Zalal, Amit. Manu Zalal, please join us up on stage. Why don't you get the driver and co-driver pairing up on stage? All time segment. For all of you that don't know, this pairing has won a number of national rally championships together as well. And we get a sponsor up on stage as well first, before we get our winners. MRF Limited. Murli, if you can join us up on stage. Thank you so much. From MRF Motorsport.
Yo, நீ பேசல பதிவாயிடுயா.
And can we get all of our champions from this category to please join us up on stage from the 2022 National Racing Championship, the MRF, MMSE, FMSCI Indian National Car Racing Championship. Congratulations to all of our winners, a lot of familiar faces and a lot of new faces as well, which is great to see.
இரு வீடியோ தான். ஃபோட்டோ இல்லை, நீ எடுத்தாடு.
Thank you to all of our champions. Mr. Vicky Chandok, can I request? We just had a request from